donuts here. So I'm seeing lately that there's a lot of people making masks on YouTube, and not all of them are accurate. Consider this: you can get from Home Depot this FPR filter. The FPR is not tested by a third party. Home Depot do not tell you the size for which they consider big particles or the size for which they consider are small particles. So I suggest to go with industry standards. Either go with MERV rating or the MPR rating. And what I found today at my local Target was MPR 1500. It captures virus and bacteria at 54%. It seems to be a little bit better than MERV 12, and it equates to about a MERV 13. MERV 13 begins to capture 1 micron to 0.3. That's nanoparticles. Now, according to this website, and according to research actually from Minnesota, when particles get down to nano sizes, they bounce around. Now, because nanoparticles bounce around, they're more likely to get trapped in the fibers of your mask. When filter captures particles in this way, scientists call it diffusion. So how effective is diffusion? According to research from University of Minnesota, HEPA filter showed that 99.99% capture rate for particles smaller than 5 nanometers. Even though the coronavirus is 0.1 nanometers, I wouldn't say this mask can replace N95 masks, but serve as a precautionary measure in case you have to go out. Here I'm using a stapler, the filtrate filter, and the strings on the paper bags. At the bottom of the box, you can see the confirmation of MERV 12, and it's exactly 54% for 0.3 to 1 micron size particles. The sides are just held on by light glue, so you can just push them off. I'm using a surgical mask to measure the size. Make sure to pull all the filter from both sides and from the side skirts. Cut a little more than measured because I want the mask to be able to fold as well. Here I'm just cutting up some cardboard pieces left over from the box to use on the sides. just need to staple the filter onto the cardboard for reinforcement. Next, we remove the bag handles from the paper bag. Now we staple each side. For the last part, we're gonna remove the barbed wires. And bury the wires on top of our masks so that it can wrap around our nose. Let me know what you think of it. Comment below and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks for watching.